Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1's student on the based on draw, label and color the picture, and this is our revision class. Dear student, for this class you need your book. Take your book, open page number 80 and follow the picture of traffic light, and this traffic lights picture you have to draw for your draw, label and color the picture. So dear students, let's move for our today's topic. Dear students, your topic is draw, label and color a traffic light, and you will get from book page 80. For this you have to draw this traffic light. This will be draw, and then you have to label and you have to color. Then what you will label? First thing, the first light, it will be red. Second light, the color of the light is yellow, and last one color is green. This is the pillar. Dear students, then you have to write this one figure, then you have to give a colon, then you have to write a traffic lights. Dear student, I will write here how you will color it. I just follow my one or books one. First one, sorry, I will write here. Then second light, yellow, third light, green, and pillar, gray. Dear student, like this way you have to color the picture of traffic light, and then you have to write the figure. Again I am telling that first light you have to color red, second light you have to color yellow, and last one you have to color green, and total pillar you have to color gray color, and you have to write figure a traffic light. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer and practice all the exercises. Abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.